Speaking of which, when anyone like you? And has anyone seen the first clue?
Oh my goodness!
There's the first clue on drops of water. It goes drip, droop, and droop. I think it's time for Snow White's adorable, lovable notebook. Let's seek and draw a droplet shape for water drops. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a lot of drops of water. Now, where's the second clue? There's the second clue on a puffy-shaped cloud. Let's draw Snow White's adorable, lovable notebook. So let's run and take a look. And that's the point. How did Pooh get a paw print up in the air?
First,
So let's try to make it puffy-shaped cloud. And that's the point. Where's our third clue now?
oh my!
There, a third clue on this booming sound. Anyway, but it can't draw a sound. I think it's time for Snow White's adorable, lovable notebook. To draw sound lines. Oh my goodness, what an adorable, crazy booming sound.
Oh, you found...
All 3 clues. And now we are sitting in our thinking chair. Well, now that we are in our thinking chair, let's think. I wonder what can Sammy do here? The clues are. The drops of water to make looks like rain. The puffy shape of a white cloud. And this booming sound. I wonder what can Sammy do here?
Thunderstorm!
Thunderstorm.
Oh my!
That weather is adorable. We just worked out Blue's clues.